My name is Ralph, and I've been coming to the practice now for about a decade. I've lived in the area for over 20 years. I've had several dentists during that time. But I met Dr. Chamberlain about a decade ago and really admired him as a person and thought, well, maybe I'll give him a chance because my original dentist had retired. And so I moved on to Dr. Chamberlain. I've been happy ever since. Well, my first experience was, I guess, warmed up by the fact that I knew him personally. And so I felt very comfortable with him, but it's his manner, I think, that makes me feel the most comfortable, both personally and in the chair. He's just a great guy to have work on your mouth. Well, I think setting Dr. Chamberlain apart from other dentists that I've had before, and I'm older, so I've had many dentists. First of all, I think is just his work ability, the work that he does. He does a really good job. I had a tooth some time ago with another dentist who, it was really funny. I had a crown done, and when he brought in the crown to compare it to the other teeth, he literally moved back like, oh, this isn't going to work, but he put it on anyway. Dr. Chamberlain is completely opposite. If he finds something that doesn't work for him, he'll change it and make it right. And he's done that for me at no charge. So, and it's not to say that he does a crummy job. What I'm trying to say is that he's totally honest, and I trust him with my mouth and my teeth. I think honesty and integrity is a big part of Dr. Chamberlain's service, both Dr. Chamberlain personally, but also his staff. They've been really good to work with in terms of billing. If there's anything that comes up that I needed, that they take care of me and help me with my insurance and that sort of thing. My experience with the staff is that they're very qualified. I've always felt very comfortable in their hands, and of course I know that Dr. Chamberlain is watching over and guiding them. He always comes in after a checkup, for instance, to make sure that they got everything right. And I have complete trust in the staff, both the attendants, the assistants, and also the office staff. Insurance with Dr. Chamberlain has been a two-sided thing. For the first 5 years that I met with Dr. Chamberlain, I was self-employed, and so I didn't have dental insurance. And so that's when I really got to know the staff and how they work with me and so on. Since then, I've got a real job, and I do have dental insurance. And now he's got me to the point where all I need is tune-ups, teeth cleaning and that sort of thing, and they take care of it. I've never had any issue with billing with the insurance company. The dental hygienists at Dr. Chamberlain's office have been really good to me. I've received a lot of good advice from them. For instance, I got my first electric toothbrush because of their advice, but I just recently got a water pick too that they advised me to use, and it's just amazing that the difference in taking care of my teeth after having those two. I really attribute it to the fact that they gave me the advice to get it, and I really appreciate it. I wish I'd done it a long time ago. You know, one of the things that if you go into, in my experience, when you come to Dr. Chamberlain's office, you know you're walking into an enclave that they have a lot of experience in technology. It's warm, it's comfortable, it's well lit. I've been to some dentist offices where you feel like you're walking into a cave with a caveman. But Dr. Chamberlain has been very, very good. I know that one of the things that I'm impressed by is the fact that he's on the local board, the Utah Association of Professional Dentists, whatever that is, ADA. Not only he serves on the committee of technology, but he's also been the chair of the technology committee. So every time I come in, they've got something new, whether it's the hygienist or Dr. Chamberlain himself, from the computerized dental x-rays to just the treatment itself. I know that he's on the cutting edge. I feel very comfortable with Dr. Chamberlain on a personal level, and I'd recommend him on a professional level as well. He's just a remarkable person, both in terms of his personal interactions with people, but also professionally. I've seen him out and about in the community, and I feel very comfortable meeting him. He's just the same in the community as he is here in the office. He's an upstanding guy, very honest, very diligent, very concerned about people individually. He always asks about my family, my wife. He seems to know them personally. I just think that he's a wonderful person.